This is how I like a gas burning fireplace. First,
Wood burning.
I get me some starter wood. Place it on there. So wood gotta catch fire real good, real quick. Now set me some burning wood on there. Any type of wood you have. And then I get my little key, turn the gas on a little bit. Light it up. Just let the gas burn until the wood catch. And then you cut the gas off. That way you won't have no high gas bill. Might take a little while for the wood to catch. It'll catch. See how it's getting caught down here? It's catching up to the wood already. And once you catch real good, you can cut your gas off. Look like it's about caught now. Let me cut the gas off. Cut the gas off, that's it. And let the wood start burning. That's all the gas you need to use in your fireplace. See how the kitchen down here? It's burning by itself now, no gas. Close your protector screen. You're good to go. That's it. That's all.